Greg Marchand here, 0 to 60, where we teach business management skills, service counter selling skills, and customer satisfaction skills in under 60 seconds. Yeah, you know the spiel. All right, look, if you're shopping for a new building for your automotive repair shop, maybe you've outgrown what you have, you've got to give yourself a lot of time. The problem with shopping for a new automotive building, in my opinion, having gone through this with many clients, is zoning. Nobody wants an auto repair shop in their town anymore, right? Zoning can be a real challenge. It's going to take you a lot of time. It's also going to be hard to find a building in your market. Give yourself time, find yourself a commercial realtor that you trust, have a sit-down meeting with them, talk to them about what you want, drive around with them for an hour, and give them examples of what you're looking for and what you want to avoid, and then let them do the work for you. But give it time. It will take more time than you can imagine.